Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to lock a USB drive with write protection in Windows 11. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Type disk part. Select your USB drive number. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.